And today's eyeshadow. Hi, anybody's there? So, right today I'm going to put eyeshadow. I'm using this one. It has 4 color in it. And let's get started, guys, because I'm in a hurry. So, I'm going to start here to the crest, transition color. This is all shimmer, guys. So, normally you need a matte eyeshadow, but I don't know why this quad palette from Pat McGrath is all shimmer, but it's okay. We'll work on it. Okay. This is a quick eyeshadow tutorial. Just swipe it like a windshield. Keep back and part to make it even, guys. Then I'm going to grab a different brush for this. This is like a purple for the outer corner. This mirror here is not clear. Okay. Very simple. Just like that. Keep back and forth to make sure it's evenly blend both sides and blend it out more. Soften the edges. And then I'm gonna grab a different brush, angle brush, using the same color, just the bottom lash, just to get a dimension on my eyes like that. And then I'm gonna grab a different brush, just this for the bottom lash, like that, slightly. And that's good right there. And then I'm gonna use this one. This is the very good, this is a good one for the eyelid. So it's like a double chrome. Just right there. Okay, there you go. That's good enough. And then I'm going to grab a flat brush using this. So I use all colors in it. This is just quick ready eyeshadow look. For those who love eyeshadow, shout out. Okay, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes and perfect. Mm. I don't add a mascara and eyeliner because I'm going to work. So that's good, guys. So this is the final look of this quad shadow. This is kind of hard. This is the look of the quad shadow. Um, You can check it out and keep on watching how I create this using all these colors. All right.